In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your business location hours within the Fresha dashboard. Whether you're changing your regular operating hours or modifying them temporarily, this guide will lead you through the process step by step, ensuring that your business information is always up to date and accurate for your clients. Starting off, you'll need to go to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you're going to find a series of icons. It's the gear icon you'll be looking for, which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the settings area, you'll want to locate the option that says Business Setup. Click on it, and you'll be guided to a new section. Within this section, several options appear on the left-hand side, and you are specifically looking for Locations. Clicking on Locations will present you with a list of all the locations you've currently set up for your business. You'll see each of your locations displayed, and this is where you can adjust anything related to your business locations. Next to each location on your list is an action button. You'll want to click this action button next to the location you wish to edit, and then select View. This will take you to the detailed view of that specific location. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for the section titled Opening Hours. This is the section where you'll be able to make all the necessary adjustments to your business hours. On the right-hand side of this section, you'll notice an Edit button. Clicking this button will allow you to modify the hours as needed. Here, adjust the hours according to your new schedule. You can increase, decrease, or specify particular hours for each day of the week, depending on what suits your business model. Be sure to review your changes to ensure everything appears as intended. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, the last step is crucial. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Save button. Clicking Save will ensure that all your adjustments are applied and visible to your clients. And there you have it. You're all set with the updated location hours. Keeping your business details up to date is vital to maintaining clear communication with your clients. By following these simple steps, you ensure that clients always know when your business is open and ready to serve them. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully this guide has been helpful in making managing your Fresha dashboard a breeze. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out through the usual support channels.